teacher teaching competence, reading motivation, and student engagement, a structural equation model for technical writing competence. Good day everyone, maayong buntag sa tanan. I am Jason Ayog together with Dr. Marilo Limpot from University of Mindanao, Davao City, Philippines. This study adheres to United Nations SDG number 4 quality education and number 8 decent work and economic growth by positioning technical writing as a critical bridge between academic instruction and professional readiness. A study conducted by the PSA revealed that 19 million senior high school graduates in the Philippines are functionally illiterate, a category which includes technical writing competence. Technical writing is considered critical not only to academic success but also to student preparation for the professional world, and developing this high-level skill remains a challenge. The study revealed that lack of vocabulary, misspelling of words, and poor understanding of grammar connected with technical writing are problems among students. Furthermore, it was discovered in the countries of Algeria, Bhutan, Saudi Arabia, and the Philippines that there is a problem in writing skills and technical writing skills among students. Research objectives. The research aims to determine the level of the following: teacher teaching competence, reading motivation, participation in class, and technical writing competence. To determine the significant relationship between teacher teaching competence, reading motivation, participation in class, and technical writing competence. Find out the combined and single influence of each variable, and determine the most appropriate model for students' technical writing competence. In this study, transactional theory serves as the main theory by positioning technical writing as a dynamic transaction where the student's reading motivation, foiled by achievement goal theory, focus on mastery, determines how deeply they engage with and interpret complex information. Teacher teaching competence support this process by building the necessary mental frameworks defined by schema theory, allowing students to organize technical data into professional formats, while engagement theory bridges the gap between thought and action through participation in class. Ultimately, these theories suggest that writing competence is not just a technical skill but a result of a teacher activating a student's schemas and motivation, which catalyzes active participation and a deeper transaction with the subject matter. Figure 1 illustrates the study's conceptual framework. The main participants in this study are 400 grade 12 students from various private schools in Region 11. Stratified random sampling was used. Their consent is voluntary, supported by consent forms signed by their parents. The researcher will strictly follow the provisions of RA 10173 or Data Privacy Act of 2012. Statistical tools. This research used a quantitative causal non-experimental design where the structural equation model is appropriate to use to measure the relationship. The causal type of research is an explanatory method that determines the cause and effect relationship between factors. To determine causation, it is important to observe the difference in the variable that is hypothesized to cause the change in other variables, and then measure the changes in the other variables. Structural equation modeling is one of the more complex methods of data analysis where it defines a structure for the covariance between transformed variables, giving the alternative name of covariance structure modeling, thus offering more meaningful and valid results. It is an advanced multivariate technique to examine multiple causal relationships between variables simultaneously. This study used adopted 4 questionnaires, validated by experts, approved by ethics committee, and done pilot testing. The Cronbach Alpha. Results of the study. Table 1 shows the level of teaching competence. An overall mean of 3.98, SD 0.40 was obtained with a descriptive level of high. It means that the level of teacher teaching competence of teacher is agreed to exhibiting them. Analyzing the results of all indicators, professional development obtained the highest mean of 4.29 with a corresponding 0.65 standard deviation with a descriptive level of very high, while personal characteristics obtained the lowest mean of 3.57 with a standard deviation of 0.51 with a descriptive level of high. The result of the study is supported. Table 2 shows the level of reading motivation. The overall mean obtained was 3.66 with a descriptive level of high. It means that students agree that they do or see motivation in reading. Analyzing each indicator, it was discovered that the passion for reading obtained the highest mean of 4.15 with a corresponding 0.71 SD with a descriptive level of high, while the lowest indicator, the social reason for reading, had a mean of 2.91 and a corresponding 1.04 SD and a moderate descriptive level. The result of the study is supported. Table 3 shows the level of participation in class. The participation in class with a high descriptive level obtained a total of 3.88 mean and 0.54 SD. This means that the students agree that participation in class is visible or carried out. All indicators of students' participation obtain a high mean score. The result of the study is supported. Table 4 shows the level of technical writing competence. Obtain a total mean of 3.77 with an SD of 0.69. Which means an agreement that the students can demonstrate and implement it. The indicator that obtained the highest mean was the attitude towards technical writing with the mean of 3.93 and a corresponding SD of 0.76, while the one that obtained the lowest mean was knowledge of technical writing with a mean of 3.64 and a corresponding SD of 0.75. All indicators scored a high descriptive level. The result of the study is supported. Table 5 shows the result of relationship between the teacher's teaching competence and students' technical writing competence. A total R value of 0.275 and a P value of less than 0.05. It shows that the teaching competence of teacher has a significant relationship with the technical writing competence of students. The result of the study is supported. Table 6 shows the relationship between reading motivation and technical writing competence. The overall R value is 0.477 and the corresponding P value is less than 0.05. The study revealed that there is significant relationship between reading motivation and technical writing competence. The result of the study is supported. Table 7 shows the significant relationship between participation in class and technical writing competence. The R value is 0.422 and P value is less than 0.05. It means that there is a significant relationship between students' participation in class and technical writing competence. The result of the study is supported. Table 8 shows the influence of teacher teaching competence, reading motivation, and student participation in class on technical writing competence of students in Region 11. Moreover, the F value is 45.939 with a corresponding P value of 0.000. Regression model is therefore significant. It can be said that there are factors that can predict students' technical writing competence. In addition, the coefficient of determination of 0.253 means 25.3% of the variation of students' technical writing competence that can be explained by predictor variables, teacher teaching competence, reading motivation, and student participation in class. It is determined in the table that the standard coefficient of reading motivation has the highest beta of 0.345. It means that reading motivation has the strongest influence on students' technical writing competence, compared to teacher teaching competence with 0.016 and student participation in class with 0.211. The result of the study is supported. Table 9 shows the results of goodness of fit measures. The result is consistent with the criteria set by Archbold and Watke, emphasizing that the CMINDF is lower than 2 in the Tucker-Lewis Index, Comparative Fit Index, Norm Fit Index, and Goodness of Fit Index are higher than 0.95. Moreover, the RMSEA and P-close values were supported by Brown, Kudek, and Sugawara, who presented 0.01, 0.05, and 0.08 as excellent, good, and mediocre fit respectively, with a corresponding P-close higher than 0.05. Shown in the table, Model 3 obtained a p-value of 0.081, CMINDF of 1.291, Goodness of Fit Index of 0.978, Comparative Fit Index of 0.994, Norm Fit Index of 0.973, Tucker-Lewis Index of 0.988, RMSEA of 0.027, and P-close of 0.988. All exogenous variables were suitable for the fitted model for the technical writing competence of students in Region 11. Generated Structural Model 1. Generated Structural Model 2. Generated Structural Model 3. Shown in figure, 4 of the 5 indicators of teacher-teaching competence, professional knowledge, professional skills and ethical standards and values, and professional development and continuous learning are significant predictors of technical writing competence. While in reading motivation, 5 of the 11 indicators, self-confidence, requirement, reading recognition, reading for grade, and competitive reading affect technical writing competence. On the other hand, students' participation has 3 of the 5 indicators, liking for learning, liking for school, and extracurricular that influence students' technical writing competence. Next, the endogenous variable technical writing competence is measured based on technical writing attitude and technical writing skills. The result of the study is supported by Chen, Samad, and Kim. Conclusion: the overall levels of teacher-teaching competence, reading motivation, participation in class, and technical writing competence are high, indicating that these qualities are actively demonstrated or practiced. There is a significant relationship between teacher-teaching competence, reading motivation, participation in class, and technical writing competence. It was identified that reading motivation has the strongest influence on students' technical writing competence compared to teacher-teaching competence and student class participation. The best fit model is the Generated Structural Model 3. It is recommended to strengthen the relationship between teachers, students, and textbook materials, not only during class hours but also through provided interventions. Furthermore, teachers are encouraged to pursue continuous professional development in teaching skills, instructional mastery, and adherence to ethical standards. Additionally, activities focused on reading like oral program of DepEd and those designed to shape the reading proficiency of students should be implemented. Although technical writing competency reach a high level and not the highest possible level, the researchers suggest that teachers should further increase students' interest in reading through innovative methods and approaches that develop technical writing skills, such as teacher-guided use of artificial intelligence for correcting and providing feedback on student composition, ensuring that students can hone their skills anywhere. Finally, conduct conferences with students who exhibit low writing skills to discuss their progress and provide necessary interventions. To the Department of Education, if it is possible to enhance library book collections and provide a conducive environment to increase students' reading motivation. For the future researchers, it is recommended to conduct a qualitative study to determine the challenges and perspectives of students regarding technical writing competence. Thank you very much.